Okay, here we have a couple central air conditioners. Here's an old Carrier Comfort 10 Tech2000 unit. Appears to have been hit with something and is missing the logo. Look at a Copen reciprocating compressor. It's from 1998. It's a 2.5 ton, 38 TKB. It's not been running. There's a newer Payne. This is a heat pump. There's probably a 4-ton right here. 2014 4-ton PH13. Oh, this has been running. Can't catch a startup though because I don't have my GoPro and not very much recording time on my phone. It does have a Copeland scroll compressor. And here's an old day and night. Vintage day and night. Let's see, it is a 3-ton from 1985, I think that is. 1988. Vintage day and night unit. Tech2000. And Payne heat pump. This probably replaced a Tech2000. Yeah, this has most definitely been running. So, thank you guys for watching.